Hey everyone, James Pfeiffer with ACCU, and today I'm inviting you to join us at Vantaca Vision for a one-of-a-kind discussion centered on HOAI and the future of our industry. I will be part of the Customer Stories and Transformation panel, joined by an incredible lineup of professionals. We're going to have Alex Cudley, Katie Marks, and the infamous Lisa Turner. Yes, that's right, Vantaca's first customer. Megan Wojtek will help guide the conversation as we dive into metrics, employment, use cases, and best practices. Then we're going to open up the floor to questions, giving everyone an opportunity to share ideas, challenge one another to ensure Vantaca remains the winning choice long into the future. So come join us, engage, and be part of the conversation that's shaping where our industry is headed. And I'm really looking forward to seeing all of you there. So, to Vantaca Vision, everyone. See you then.